everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel or pause your web subscription step by step. There are a few ways to do it, so stick around to find the one that fits your situation. So you don't want to cancel your subscriptions completely, then you can simply pause your subscription. And here's how to do it. First, go to the membership section of the web app, then click pause membership. Then you can choose how long to pause. It can do up to 3 months. Then confirm the pause and that's it. While pause, no data will be uploaded, you will not be billed, and you can resume anytime. Now option 2. What if you want to fully cancel your subscription? Then all you have to do is this. Go to their website, then visit membership section, then click cancel your membership at the bottom of the page, then follow the step based on your current plan and status. And lastly, what if you want to change your mind and want to come back? So just to return to membership section of the web app, then click resume or resume membership, then confirm to reactivate, and you are back. If you resume within 90 days, all your data is saved, but after 90 days, your biometric baseline reset and it's all gone and it start again. So if you're still in the free trial, here how to cancel it. All you have to do is open Woob app, then go to more, and if you see your profile, then navigate there, then select my account, then membership, and follow the in-app cancellation flow to initiate your return. Then download the provided return label or QR code to scan by the carrier and mail your return within the 7 days of requesting the return label to avoid charges. And that's all for today's video on canceling or pausing your web membership. If you got any question, drop a comment below and like if this helped you. Subscribe for more simple tech guides, and don't forget to share it with someone who needs this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.